In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an organizational chart in Google Sheets. If you want a clear snapshot of who reports to whom, or you're organizing a team for a project, this is a quick and reliable way to visualize your structure directly from your spreadsheet. Start by opening Google Sheets and loading the spreadsheet that contains your team data. If you're starting from scratch, make sure your table is set up so the first column lists each person and the second column lists their manager. Keep names consistent and unique to avoid confusion. If someone sits at the top of the organization, you can leave their manager cell blank. Clean, well-structured data will make your chart render correctly on the first try. Next, click and drag to highlight the full range of data you want to include, headers and all. Selecting the exact range now helps Sheets understand the relationships without extra cleanup later. If you have a third column with optional details like job titles or locations, that can be used as a tooltip, but it's not required. With your range selected, go up to the menu bar and click Insert. This is where you'll add the chart. From the drop-down, choose Chart. Sheets will create a default chart and open the chart editor on the right side of the screen. Don't worry if the first chart you see isn't an org chart, we're about to change it. In the chart editor, make sure you're on the Setup tab, then open the chart type menu. This shows all available chart types. Scroll through the list to find the organizational chart option. If you prefer, you can use the search box at the top of that panel and type organizational to jump straight to it. Click organizational chart and Sheets will transform your selected data into a hierarchy. If anything looks off, double check your two columns. The first should be the person and the second should be their manager. Fixing a misspelling or removing extra spaces often resolves errors immediately. From here, you can resize the chart by dragging its corners, move it to a clean spot on your sheet, and fine-tune settings in the chart editor. As you update your underlying data, adding new team members or changing reporting lines, the chart updates automatically, keeping your visualization current. When you're ready to share, use the standard share or download options in Google Sheets to collaborate with your team or include the chart in a presentation. And that's it. You've created a professional organizational chart in Google Sheets, starting with your data and turning it into a clear visual map of your team.